Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will going to learn how to install IntelliJ IDEA on Windows. So without further ado and any wasting of time, let's jump into it. So first, we will go to our Google Chrome browser and then we will search for Intel. Here you can see the suggested IntelliJ IDEA. Here you can see. So after that, here you will get the first link called IntelliJ IDEA, the Learning Java and Kotlin IDE. So click on that. So here we are in the download section. And now click on the download. So here we are in here to download. The first here you can see there is three options. Three operating system options called Windows, Mac OS and Linux. Choose your operating system by selecting like this. So I chose Windows and here you can see that they are saying free 30-day trial, that IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate. So we will not gonna download this 30-day trial because it's paid. So we will scroll down a little bit and here we will find IntelliJ IDEA. On that we need to click on download. And here you can see it's free. So after that, here you can see the download is started right now and it will take 5 or 6 minutes. So here you can see the installation is completed right now. And after here, what we can do is if you want to reboot it now, you can check and reboot it now. But if you want to reboot manually later, then you can select manually later. So now I'm just selecting I want to manually reboot later and click finish. And then we will select the Intel IDEA communication. And here you can see the app is getting started. And here you can see we need to click on I confirm that I have read the accept the terms of the user agreement. Click continue. And after that, here you can see this is IntelliJ IDEA home interface over here. This is how we can download IntelliJ IDEA in Windows operating system. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you another video. Till then, goodbye.